next open door here is for the ladies, right? So after persons have used the washroom, we normally escort them up to base station, which is where our hotel is. For the zip line, which is also known as the canopy or the canopy tour. Normally, before persons go up to do the ride, if they are selected the canopy tour, well, they will go on the training line, and if they're comfortable enough with it, then we take them into the rainforest. And then we walk down for about 10 to 15 minutes, do your zipping on 10 cables. Afterwards, you would walk back up to top station in order that you'll be able to catch the tram down. So that will take about 3 hours. No? But we also have the tram tour, which we also call the gondola. It lasts just over an hour. About an hour and 10 or an hour and 15 minutes, depending on how many stops there are along the way. And this one takes you about 1.25 miles into the rainforest. So you get a view of the rainforest not only from the bottom or from the top, but you go all the way through. And after that tour, there's also a walk which is offered. It's complimentary. You will need the proper walking shoes. And that walk lasts about 20 to 30 minutes. But if you choose not to do the tram or the zip line, there's also a short walk which is offered. It lasts about 40